Good morning, children. I hope all of you are well. In the previous class, I have explained you about abstract noun. You have to take out your Gulmohar textbook, page number 5, and this is abstract noun. Okay, so in the previous class, I explained you what is an abstract noun. Okay, so what is an abstract noun? Abstract nouns, they are usually names of qualities, feelings, or ideas or thought. Okay. Now, abstract nouns you cannot see, you cannot touch, but you can feel it. Okay, you can feel it, and they do not have a plural form. Now, we usually form abstract nouns by adding NESS, MENT, and DOM to form words. So, example C: happy, happiness; enjoy, enjoyment; free, freedom. Now, in sometimes what happen, a word changes completely to form the abstract noun. Beautiful, beauty; hot, heat; proud, pride. So what you have understood, children? Abstract noun, they are qualities, feelings, ideas. Okay, and we cannot see these nouns, we cannot touch these. Okay, but we can feel them. Okay, abstract nouns can be felt. So last time I explained you, but once again I am explaining you. Now this exercise, what you have to do, the words which are written in this red color, you have to change it into abstract noun. Now Pankaj is so kind to his pets. They love him for his kindness. So see, kind has been changed to abstract noun, kindness. Next, plants grow well in our garden. So the sunlight helps their growth. So growth is an abstract noun. So from these words, you have to form abstract noun. Third one, those soldiers were brave. The newspapers wrote about their bravery. Bravery. Kumar is very honest. He told the teacher that he did not complete his homework. The teacher liked his what? Honesty. So from honest you are forming what? Which word? Honesty. 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 We laugh loudly when we watch cartoons on television. So, our laughter wakes up grandfather. So, laugh you are forming what? Laughter. 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 Okay, children. So, this have you followed? From kind, kindness; grow, growth; brave, bravery; honest, honesty; laugh, laughter. Okay, now we come to collective nouns. One more kind of noun, collective noun. Look at these words: class, team, herd. Okay, class means what? A class of students. Team, a team of players, cricket players. Okay na? A herd of buffaloes. These are names we give to a group of things or people. We call them collective nouns. Okay, so these are what? Collective nouns. Collective nouns means group of something, any group. Now here what you have to do, you have to circle the collective nouns. The army crossed a mighty range of mountains in the north. So army and range. Army means what? Group of soldiers. Range is what? Group of mountains. Please put away that pile of clothes on your bed. So pile means what? That is also a group of clothes. Pile means heap. Our school has a large network of computers. School and network. There is a fleet of taxis parked outside the hotel. Fleet. Okay. So fleet is a collective noun. We bought a bunch of bananas at the fruit shop. Bunch. They saw a large herd of elephants bathing in the river. So, what is this? All these are what? Collective nouns. All are these what? Collective nouns. Army, range, pile, school, network, fleet, bunch, herd. So, children, so you have to do what? You have to circle it. All of you, please do this one, this exercise. Okay. This is the textbook. You have to do in the textbook only. Okay, children. Now we come to next one. Words in use. Replace the words in color in these sentences with the words from the box. Again, there are words which are written in red color that you have to replace with the words which are given here. Okay. Is there meaning? As Noe walked along the shore, he spotted. So instead of spotted, we can write what? Saw. Okay. He saw something in the distance. Second one. Noe put the whale on his pull cart with a lot of difficulty. So instead of difficulty, we can write effort. Next. Noe wanted to save the baby whale. So instead of save, you can write protect. Noe said he would take great care of the whale. So instead of take great care of, we can write what? Look after. What we can write? Look after. Now come to the next page. Number 5. Noah's father said that the whale should go back to its family in the sea. So instead of go back, we can write return. We can write return. Noah hoped to see the storm whale again. So instead of hoped, we can write wished. What we can write? Wished. Okay, children? So you have to do the way I have done. See, once again, saw, effort, protect, look after. Next, return, wished. Okay, children? Now come next one, this one. Look at these words. Sea plus shore equals to seashore. Bath plus tub equals to bathtub. And these are called what? When you combine two words, okay, they make one word, and that is called what? Compound word. When we use two words to make one word, we call it a compound word. Now see, number B. What is B? Match the words in A while the words to form compound words. Okay. Now what is this? Motor. What you'll combine? Motor boat. You have to write what? Motor boat. You have to match the words in A with the words in B to form compound words. So you have to write them in C. Now motor boat. So you write motor boat. Sea shell. Seashell. Note book. Notebook. Up stairs, upstairs, cupboard, cupboard, table, spoon, tablespoon. Okay children, so this one you have to write down as compound words. So two words, when they make one word, that is called a compound word. That is called a compound word. Next we come to post listening task non-fiction extract. Whatever you have learned about whale, okay, this will give you an idea about whales. Listening. Listen to some interesting facts about blue whales. So you'll be knowing about blue whales. Then choose the correct words and phrases to complete these sentences. Blue whales are the largest animals that live on earth. You tick the correct one and write it in your blank. Depending on the season, blue whales move from one place to another to look for food and a warm climate. So, you have to tick this one. Okay. Next one. Blue whales eat tiny ocean creatures called shrimp. This you tick and write it here. They are also the kindest animals on the planet. So you tick kindest and write it here. Okay children. Now turn back. The hunting of blue whales by humans has decreased their population with time. So decrease means the number of the whales has gone down. Okay. Why? The humans, they are hunting blue whales. So what you write here? Decrease their population with time. So children, what you have to do? You have to do all this one in your textbook the way I have shown you. You complete it till here. Okay. Children, thank you. Take care.